Today we are continuing with our lesson on capital letters. This is lesson 2 in our series of lessons on using capital letters. When do we use capital letters? Let us look at the video to find out. In our last lesson, we learned that we use capital letters to begin a sentence and to begin special names. Here we have a sentence, my friend and I are going to school. So I am going to rewrite it using capital letters. If you notice, remember in our last lesson, we said that we always begin a sentence using a capital letter. So we have a capital M to begin the sentence. And we also change the I to capital. My friend and I are going to school. So when we are writing the letter I by itself, we always use a capital letter. Here we have, I live in Garth Road. So we are going to rewrite it using capital letters. So here we have capital I, because when we are writing I by itself, referring to yourself, I, right? You use a capital I. And we also have a capital G for Garth and a capital R for road. Now Garth Road is the name of a place, the special name given to a place. So we also use capital letters when writing special names given to places. My family and I went to Canada. So here we have my, we begin the sentence with a capital letter. I, so every time we write the letter I by itself, you use a capital I, and Canada is the special name given to a place. Right? So we use the capital letters now to begin the sentence when using I and for the special name given to places. Mary and I took our dog Spot to Gulf City. So here we have Mary. So Mary begins the sentence. It is also the name of a person. We have I. We took our dog Spot. So Spot is the special name given to the dog. And we have Gulf City is the special name given to a place. So here we have our sentence with capital letters. What have we learned so far? We use capital letters to begin a sentence, to begin special names when writing I, and to begin names of special places. I went to Princestown. So we have I, and Princestown is the special name given to a place. Mommy and I went to the market. So we have mommy and we have I. Now we do not put a capital letter by the word market because market is not the special name given to the market. But if I said mommy and I went to San Fernando market or went to Princestown market, then we would put that word in a capital letter. But market is just a general name and it could be any market you are talking about. So it's not a specific or a special market. I visited a store at Couva. So we have I and we have Couva. Store, it's a place, but it is not a special name given to the store. All right, so only when it's a special name, you put the word, you begin with a capital letter. Now you are going to do this exercise for me. She is going to Princestown. My friend and I went to Gulf City. I am from Williamsville. Mary and I go to Brothers Presbyterian School. You are going to pause the video and you are going to rewrite these sentences using capital letters where necessary. Then you will continue to the next slide. Now it's time to check your answers. So as you can see, we use a capital letter to begin a sentence, for special names of people, for special names of places, and when writing, I. I have come to the end of my lesson. Remember, children, always keep reaching for the stars.